Welcome to Diesel Pro Mastery. I'm Eric with Diesel Pro Network, and we're here today at Ty's Auto Care, working on a 2016 Ford F-250. Truck came in with transmission problems, shifting, hard shifting, downshifting, upshifting. We determined that it needed a valve body in this truck, and we're going to put an ATS valve body. We're going to pair that with the Dox Diesel transmission filter, fluid, and gasket. Stay tuned for the install. We've got the pan off, fluid drained, letting everything drip before we start dropping off the filter, cleaning up the gasket, and dropping the valve body out. If you know, you want to give this time plenty of time to drip, because if not, you're going to get covered in transmission fluid as you're trying to work on it. And it also helps when the transmission fluid is cooled off. There's your solenoids on the valve body, your harness. We'll have to unhook all that, plug all those back up, take the bolts out. We'll be ready to drop this thing down here in a few minutes. I gotta interview you.
Well, we need to start this all over. This is going terrible.
All right, at this point is where I got a bath in transmission fluid, and it got all over my shirt. Now, I don't have a video or a clip of the shirt with transmission fluid all over it, but this shirt was absolutely covered. So this is your tip of the day. How I got it clean: I used some Dawn dishwashing liquid, soaked the shirt down, soaked it down with Dawn dishwashing liquid, and then I applied baking soda to it and scrubbed it in real nice, let it set for about an hour, and rinsed it off. And keep repeating the process until it comes clean. Do not dry it. That's the tip. So it does have 3 bolts. Yeah.
For the filter.
And for the filter.
This little clip up here to hold this rod in.
Got a clip on the rod nobody tells you about. I'm in your way, you let me know. All right, we got everything buttoned up here. Valve body's in, fluid is in it. Everything's plugged up, ready to program. Got a battery charger on it. Programmer's hooked up. Stay tuned for the programming. So what we programmed it here with Ty did was the 4-scan. He tried first using Ford's version of the FJDS, which we had trouble communicating with Ford. He even contacted their technical service department, and they was unable to help him connect to the vehicle. Is that right?
Right.
And so Ty went on the 4-scan site. Did you have to download anything from 4-scan?
Yeah.
He downloaded their software, which was free. You get a 2-month free trial. After the 2-month free trial, it ranges from $12 to $20 a month. It also gives you a link on their site for an OBD2 connector. How much was that?
$140.
$140. And he programmed this truck in 5 minutes.
Yeah, so when you enter in the strategy number, it automatically updates the new solenoid ID as well.
Okay.
So you don't have to.
So you don't have to enter in the solenoid number.
Yeah.
That's it. We're ready to see what it does. All right, we're backing it out after doing the programming. All right, we're back from the test drive. Truck drove very nice. No issues with shifting whatsoever. Good downshift, nice smooth transition all the way through the gears. One thing Ty did mention was that you want to make sure you do clear out the adaptive transmission table because if you learned incorrectly with the bad valve body, the computer's trying to relearn over top of that. So when he deleted that out, and gave it a fresh learn, it shifted much better and drove out a lot better. So just kind of recap on that, we did the ATS Valve Body along with the Doc's diesel filter, fluid, and transmission pan gasket. Stay tuned for more videos with Diesel Pro Mastery. I'm Eric. Thank you.